Nelson. Welcome to Salazar Contracting.
So today we are at UBC Solutions on Co Avenue, and it's a big property, so they just had us do the road maintenance. So we're gonna do maintenance of the whole thing. We have the riding mowers with us. We're gonna mow the whole lot, and then we have the push mowers. So get into those tight spaces, and then when we're done, there are some places where you can't really have the mowers, like along the fences, around the trees and everything. So we have the weed whackers with us, and we're just gonna do a nice little trim around, and it's gonna look fantastic when you're done. So today we are at BCB Daycare, and we're just doing a good cleanup of the whole area. We're gonna take some weeds off, and then we're gonna add some more mulch to the places. We're gonna add some mulch in the corner over there, and we're gonna add some mulch along the fence as well. So we're gonna do it's a whole cleanup of the area. They just hired us to do the cleanup of the whole place, and it's gonna looking nice when we're done.